And I think I started biking when I was 14 or 15. That's when I actually started.
More braking is not in the brakes, I'm sure. It's in the engine braking.
Yes, engine braking.
So,
Yes.
yeah.
So even when it comes to racing, we actually engine brake first.
That's right.
And then we understand if braking is actually required to get into the corner or not. And then brakes are applied.
So these are the few things which Hi everyone, this is Neville from Rise Moto, and I'm the training manager over here. A little bit about me: I've been a motorcycle journalist. At the same time, have my own YouTube. That's more about me. Now, let's shift to her on bike. We have her with us today, and
Yes.
how are you doing?
All good.
So,
Better here in Bombay, I guess.
so you like the weather here, or
Not really. I think Pune is better weather-wise, but I like to pay my visits here.
Nice. And road-wise?
Road-wise, I think the old highway patch is enough for me. I think till there it's fine. Yes.
So something about yourself, what got you in riding and your passion about riding?
So if I need to summarize, just give a brief introduction. I'm right now a 21-year-old biker girl, and I have been into content creation for quite some time. I think 1.5 years till now. And I think I started biking when I was 14 or 15. That's when I actually started. But again, it was just me learning how to ride a bike. And getting into biking as a passion and everything was around 18 itself.
Nice.
Yes. I think still right now it's been 3 years since I've been biking, like really into it.
True.
And I just want more. There's no end to this because there's always so much to learn, so much to do in this field and community that is, I feel like there's never stop to it.
100%. It's like a therapy more.
Yes, for sure. Speed therapy.
When we are low also, I think that's one thing where we want to just hop on the bike.
Definitely.
But it's very important to understand that people should know that you don't throttle it out when you're
never throttle with your ego.
So respect your motorcycle.
Yes,
that's the main thing.
And don't go faster than your guardian nature.
True. So that's there. So yeah, then what got you into bike racing actually? So I believe.
So yes, this is actually my first season. I can say debut season into motorsports altogether. I think last year is when, not last year, last year is when I had come across this creative of TVS Racing. And TVS has been in this industry for a very long time when it comes to racing. And I think when I did come across the creative, it just said women's category selections. It's in Pune. If you want, you can go for it. And I was like, why not? Let me try this out, because it had been almost a year or something I was into biking, and I initially started stunting that time. So I went up for it, I registered it, and I got selected in the city selection round. But when I did fly down to Chennai and had to give my round 2 selection there, is actually when I understood that racing is a different ball game altogether. It's not your go-kart tracks. It's not a small place that you just, go around. It is a huge, entire different league together. And I didn't qualify actually in my first selection. And that's when I made up my mind. I was like, no, I love this. I love that I understand this is a safe environment built to do something you love doing. And I just made up my mind then. I was like, next year I have to be there. And I'm here this year.
That's well. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Very happy to have you on that podium. But
yes.
As you said, safe environment to do something. That's what I think a message should be passed on.
Yes, definitely. So, track racing and road racing are two different, complete different things. And I would definitely never promote road racing at all.
True.
Because again, when you're at the track, your safety is taken care of. It is a controlled environment. There are marshals there at every post to take care of you or any other rider that is there. So it's completely different when you're at the track and when you're doing it on road. I know there are people who still want to, pull up the skills and try to do something better on road. But again, that's definitely not something I would try to promote.
That's great. So that's about racing. Have you ever thought about off-roading, or would you want to get into that off-roading part of it?
So I actually did make up my mind this year. If not track, I would actually get into off-road. And I think I'm waiting for my season to end this year so that I can actually, I have a lot of friends in this community of off-roading and motocross actually. And all they tell me is come, but get a bike. So
Get a
a
bike.
bike
That's
is the only part that is
important.
missing right
Great.
now. But I think it's definitely something I would try. I
Okay.
have tried it on a very small trail outside my stunting academy. They just
Okay.
got experts and made their own trail
Nice.
in rain.
That's nice.
So that was the first time I tried. I
Okay.
think I fell about 8 to 10 times, but because of the adrenaline,
That's
I
it.
couldn't stop.
Stop,
I
yeah.
picked up my bike and I
Yeah.
was on the trail again. So
Nice.
it was something that was amazing.
That's great. No,
Yes.
it's more important to know both the sides of the world. I know
Yes.
one thing is what you love, but the
Yes.
other side will also help you in what you love.
Right.
that is
Even
the-
MotoGP riders, they do go
Off-roading
rally,
on trail
rally,
and
etc.,
that's
and
it.
then get on the so that they're
That's
not
right.
scared of the gravel,
That's right.
etc. Yes. So yes, definitely something I would try.
Nice. So more on that, as you've also been riding for races, you've been riding for daily also.
Yes.
What would be one thing where you would want to tell the community, new riders coming in? What is that one thing where they would want to hear from a professional biker like you to keep in mind when they start their motorcycle journey?
I think this is one thing that I even try to promote a lot on my social media
Sure.
platforms. The one thing and the main thing that even new riders need to understand is gear. They really lack this in the initial phase.
Sure.
When they get into biking, they get their bike, they get a helmet, and they think that is it,
That's
which
right.
is completely not
Not
true.
true.
Because once you get in, you don't actually know what you're getting in for.
That's
You're a new rider.
True.
You don't know. There are endless possibilities of anything and everything to
True.
happen. So getting even a basic level of riding gear is
Yes.
very, very
True.
must that you need to do. So that is one thing that I actually try to put
Promote. Yeah.
forth a lot. Yes.
right.
So yeah.
Yeah, I think that is also a very important point. And one more point, I think you will also be on the same page with me, would be stepping up bikes. Because
Yes,
there's so many
yes.
people who start from, say, 150 or R15 and
Right.
going all the way to the
Leader class.
liter class. And I
Yes.
think that is one challenge which people should know.
Definitely.
because-
That is, I think, a misconception because people, when they get their hands on either money or
True.
either something that they think is fascinating,
True.
they jump
That's
the
right.
certain levels and try to get into the end product.
That's right.
Which I think even this actually applies in a lot of normal things.
100%.
Even when it comes to racing, everybody's focused on the end product.
Leader
Nobody
class,
wants
yeah,
to
that's
go
right.
through the struggle, the journey of it, and actually building
Very
themselves
true.
up. So I'm actually very glad I started on an
True.
R15, and I think till now I'm not outskilled the bike at all. There are a lot of still a
100%.
lot of other things I
True.
have to learn on that bike. Yes, so I think 6 to 8 months more for me to upgrade
Okay.
into a maybe higher
Bigger
CC
360
bike.
bike.
Yes.
Nice. But that's good actually. As we rightly said, you have to upgrade slowly with the right amount of speed, because it's not only the speed and the throttle, it's also the
Yes.
braking which has to be
For
learned.
sure, for sure.
And for just a tip for all of the viewers who are watching us, more braking is not in the brakes, I'm sure. It's in the engine braking.
Yes, engine
So,
braking. Yes.
yeah.
So even when it comes to racing, we actually engine brake first,
That's right.
and then we understand if braking is actually required to get into the corner or not, and then brakes are applied.
So these are the few things which you learn when you go into a riding school or
Yes.
to get your
I
skills
think
upgraded.
even if you do it by yourself and if you have the proper guidance
That's
and
right.
mentorship,
True.
you
You
learn
will
it
learn
with
it
that
well.
too. Yes.
That's a lot about racing, but another point where I would want our viewers to understand women racing. That's a
Yes.
big challenge because there are so many parents who deny it, first of all.
Yes.
Then there are so many restrictions when it comes to women. And then they don't get their self-confidence that, oh, will I be able to? They, back of the mind, they know that they want to ride something.
Exactly.
But how did you get that confidence, and what made you step into riding as a woman? Because it's very difficult for men
Yes.
used to ride.
Yes.
And now women coming up, that's a huge step. So how did
Yes.
that come into?
I think, first of all, it's a huge, huge accomplishment in India that women, so many women are there out here trying
True.
to get their foot into
That's
this
right.
and are racing actively right now, because I see the amount of women that actually come through
True.
these city selections and on the track, and
That's right.
how much dedicated they also are. And, they actually somewhat also give an equal fight as guys do on the track. So that is something that is really amazing in India altogether that is happening, because
Nice.
again, this industry is still flourishing, and
Sure.
accepting women in
That's
motorsports
right.
is a very huge thing.
Huge thing, yeah.
Second, I think when I entered motorsports, it was all of a sudden, it just happened actually. I didn't expect it myself because, again, it was my passion. It was
Sure.
something I wanted to do. And to be very honest and transparent, if I have to be, my dad still doesn't support me in motorsports.
Okay.
So he actually initially, very initially told me that I'm not going to support you. It's something you have to do yourself.
Nice.
But that's when my mom actually still is there, who
Nice.
tries to support me in whatever way she can. So I'm blessed that way.
That's
But
great.
it is kind of a little harder for women to get into this because I think the support is a little more less.
True.
I am glad that I have friends in
True.
this industry who actually try to help me
Absolutely.
out and, want me to get better and want me to race. So I have met the right set of people. So the circle also matters
That's
a lot.
right. 100%.
And guidance,
True.
for sure. The lack here is, I think, women not getting the proper guidance and mentorship in motorsports, due to which they are not putting out their full potential.
That's right.
So that way, I think I have been lucky to find the right people who
Nice.
guide me the right way. And I am here today because of whatever I have learned
Nice.
through them.
I think fathers are a little protective at times.
Yes.
But then they don't know what, I'm sure, back of his mind, that he's proud that where you've become and where you've come today.
I hope so.
I'm 100% sure on that, because we feel proud of having you at this level today.
Right.
But yeah, slow and steady. They are protective is what I would say. But at the
Yes.
same time, it's a good thing that you're showing that women can do what the men can do.
Exactly.
So it's always that equality which matters. And
For
that
sure.
is what you all are giving it a good fight.
Yes.
You said that some of the girls or the women's are giving a good competition to the men. I'm sure they're coming out even more better.
For sure.
So,
for sure.
and we see one in front of us. So we are
Yes.
very happy.
And women who actually want to get into motorsports, I think the first thing would be to take every opportunity they
Sure.
get. The same way I took up
That's
TVS. I didn't know anything about racing. It was just something I just wanted
That's
to
right.
do because I loved biking.
Sure.
So grab every opportunity you get, or try to learn how much ever you can, be it
Sure.
from Instagram, because there are a lot of informative videos
True.
you find on Instagram. Be it Instagram, YouTube, having your friends who are already doing racing,
Yeah.
ask them, approach them. I'm sure none of the friends would say no.
That's right.
So yeah, you get into track all these academies that do run all these programs as TVS, OMC, KTM, RC Cup.
That's
These are
right.
few
True.
places you can initially start. And again, I would say that jumping into a racing team altogether would be a little intimidating because the competition and everything,
That's
there are
right.
certain expectations that
True.
actually exceed a beginner.
True.
But again, track days are a perfect day to start, your way to start racing.
Nice.
Yes,
So thank you for giving the women so
Yes.
much encouragement.
for
And
sure.
Yeah, that's
We really do
amazing.
need more women in motorsports.
Yes, 100%. But I
Yes.
see a lot of them now growing up to it and coming up.
Yes.
But again,
yes.
the women also have to understand that you're riding on road, you're learning on road. Please be very careful when
Yes,
you're
yes,
running on
for
road.
sure, for
So
sure.
that is important.
Yes.
And one question where I would want to ask is, do you go on Sunday rides? Because we bikers, we love Sunday rides. We
Yes,
hate,
yes.
because most of bikers are there who are enthusiasts, but they have
Right.
work.
Right.
And Sunday is the
The
only day
only
off.
day, yes.
So do you do Sunday rides?
So I think this year it's been like very off since my racing has started. But before that, I actually used to
Okay.
go on a lot of Sunday rides. Now it's just one day I actually get to practice for track and
Okay.
I go to a go-kart track and
Okay.
practice. So that's the only day I can utilize.
Utilize it.
Yes.
But I'm sure one day in a month or one day in 3 months, one Sunday.
Yeah,
you
yeah,
should-
for sure. Again, this year I actually haven't done any Sunday. I think
Okay.
I've done Pune, Bombay for travel purpose, but that itself was my ride.
Right. Yeah, because we from Bombay, we do Lonavala and all that. So
Exactly.
that's
I
a
think
nice
that
ride.
is the meter point for Bombay
That's
and Pune bikers.
Right now, the roads are very good over there.
Okay.
Because the Gujarat highway, which people used to do, the Charoti highway, and all that,
Yes.
that's not in good shape right now.
Okay.
It's coming up. So the only thing is Lonavala.
Lonavala
where
now.
we can go. It's cramped up in Lonavala also.
Oh God.
But
I wouldn't know.
but
That's
I
great.
think you have the perfect motorcycle right now to learn and to be with your
Yes.
R15
Yes,
USB.
yes, for sure.
So-
I think whatever I have learned today, be it my braking, my getting my body positioning right, etc., was on the R15. I
True.
did have the same MT15 before.
True.
And that I think was very suitable for me for stunting, because
Got it.
popping wheelies and doing
True.
one-hander circle, zero
True.
circle, etc. was very comfortable. But again, since I got into the entire, I was mesmerized by
True.
motorsports. So I was like, R15 is the best.
motorcycle.
And my dream bike is a ZX 10R. So
Okay.
I wanted a baby
Nice.
sports bike for
Nice.
myself.
I think that's the dream when people start with a fairing bike. Fairing bikes are
Yes.
more fascinating, I
Yes,
think,
they are.
than
Definitely.
the other bikes. But
Naked bikes, yes.
so, yeah, ZX 10R is a good. Unfortunately,
Yes.
the R1s have stopped.
Got discontinued,
So,
yeah. They
because of the-
apparently want to focus on the mid-segment
Mid-segment.
bikes.
More than that, now MotoGP also coming up with a lower segment than the 1000cc.
Yes. Actually, even the World Women Championship started and they're using R7s
That's right,
for the
R7.
bikes.
So
Yes.
that's the new future. They
Yes.
want to make fuel efficiency.
Exactly.
We hope we don't lose out on that
For
exhaust
sure.
notes.
Yeah,
That
yeah,
is
for
what
sure.
runs us.
I think I won't be ready for this in the next 10 years.
I don't think any petrol hell would be
No.
ready for something like that.
No, not at all. The fake electronic, I don't know, I can cope up with that.
I can imagine, and there's a reel going on where there's someone giving a throttle sound, and then
And
there's the electric.
yes.
No, we're not ready for that yet.
For sure, not at all.
But yeah, anything you would want the riders to keep in mind, like from a perspective of riding daily, and
Mhm.
what they can do to come on a track, and how could they possibly see themselves in a few years where you are positioned today.
Right. So I think it's definitely not an easy journey.
True.
There's a lot of time, lot of discipline and motivation that you
True.
require to put yourself in first
100%.
because no matter how much somebody else will try to hold your hand and try to teach you, it won't happen.
happen,
It's something that comes from within,
That's
and I
right.
think it came from myself. I
True.
wanted to do it because the first time I didn't qualify, I made it up in my mind and I said to myself, I'm determined to do this.
True.
I want to do it, and I made it happen. I'm still making it happen
True.
because I feel right now I am still in that phase where I am developing my skills,
Got it.
understanding the track better, and
Got
pushing myself further and further
Got it.
because I am still a lot further away from fighting from the top bunch of the
True.
races there. But again, it's a reality check I
True.
give myself that last year I didn't even qualify, and
That's
look
right.
at me here this year.
Yeah.
I'm here, karke.
Sure.
So definitely a message is get it from yourself.
Within, yeah.
Be passionate about what you're doing. Don't
True.
do it for the sake of it, just
100%.
because again, this is something I put out on my Instagram. Don't do it because it looks cool.
That's right.
Do it because you love
Love
it,
it.
and be safe about it.
That's right.
Because again, getting on a machine that is liable to actually take your life,
That's
as it's a very sad truth to put
True.
it out there, but again, this machine can literally take your life not even in 10
100%.
seconds because again, endless responsibilities
That's right.
on the road,
True.
and you can see today
That's
how
right.
bad India is getting with
That's right.
accidents, etc.
True.
And I've seen friends on Instagram also, where they have injured themselves
right.
or gotten into a bad accident.
True.
Their parents are getting worried,
Worried,
sick,
that's
and
right.
etc. And
True.
it's very saddening to see all
100%.
of that. So yeah, do it because you love it. Be safe about
That's
it,
right.
and focus on basically getting yourself better.
True.
Don't focus on the end product
That's right.
because as much as you try to focus on the end product, you lose on what needs
you
to be done to get
That's
there.
right.
So yeah, that really matters a lot.
I think that's a good point, a very good point, because
Yes,
most of the riders feel that, oh yeah, I want to win this race.
yeah, exactly.
But to win also, you have to have that you
That
go step by
stepping
step.
stone is
That's
there, right?
So it's
Everybody
not from,
looks at Rossi and Marquez, they're like, oh, I want to be
That's
that.
right.
But they don't know how much
True.
they have
They
also
are-
struggled
that's
to
right.
get there.
So you can't go from the first standard to the 10th standard. It's like that. So
Exactly.
you are, and
That's
passion
what.
is more required for this.
Yes, it
Yes.
should come from within you,
Yeah,
or it really
otherwise-
doesn't work out.
Because if you don't have it from within, then someone pushing you, you will not get that. So it's
Definitely.
like if you are a painter and someone tells you to start doing carpentry, you're not going to do
You
it because
can't
you're not
do
going
it.
to like it.
Exactly.
So that's same way, but you
There's
have to
a
have that
learning
passion.
for
True,
everything, and
100%.
you should be
But-
willing to learn it.
True, true. And safety, yes, very much required.
Yes.
So, yeah, but accidents, as you said, there are many accidents where people. That's why my recent post on YouTube and on Insta also I had put up that there are certain speed limits
Exactly.
where a government puts up a speed limit. So
Right.
it's very important to focus and know what are the speed limits. It's not only kept to
Right.
restrict you, but for your own safety.
Exactly.
Because at a certain level, there can be a crash which you can avoid on having major injuries.
Right.
There can be injuries, but major injuries.
Right.
That's where the brands which we also have at Rise Moto, we have good products which will
Yes.
save you on the track.
The level of safety
That's
is
right.
also
But that is
Yeah.
track focused roads focus till a certain extent. There's
Right.
so many things on the road which you never know what can come up.
Even the gear I wear on a daily commute would be different. When
Sure.
I'm going for touring, is different. When I'm on the track, it's
That's
completely
right.
different, and it's according to the purpose of
True.
your bike. So
That's right.
yeah, it really matters. You need to understand these things.
That's right.
But again, all of this knowledge comes step by
Step
step.
by step.
So you need to go through it.
True.
Yes.
And biking, I think people are passionate, but people are not having the right knowledge. Yet.
Knowledge about it.
But
Yes.
slowly, thanks to influencers like you, that
Yes.
they're learning.
Right.
And last question: is motorsport? I know the answer, but I want to
I
know it
already
from
know
the.
your question.
Is motorsport expensive?
Oh my god, I can't even start about it. I think it's my first season and I've already been entered with quite a warm welcome, I guess. But yes, motorsports in India is very expensive and it takes out a lot of your money when
True.
you're either you be on the initial stage or
True.
if you're doing racing for 2 to
True.
3 years. One thing I have come across a lot of racers is budget problems.
True.
And I think again it gets a little harder for me because I don't have much financial support from my family or my
Correct.
parents. So whatever I am spending right now is from my savings, and whatever I've
Nice.
earned till now, I've been working since I was 18. I'm 21
Wow.
now, and I think at least 40 to 50% of my savings is just gone
Nice.
because of this.
No, but I think you're giving a good message out to people that you are earning for yourself
Yes.
and to follow your passion, which is biking.
Yes.
And many people in India, at least, they are like parents buy us stuff.
Yes.
But it's very important to have someone like you who is following the passion with their own
I'm
hard-earned
really
money.
glad to put out that
So-
message. Yes,
so
it
that's-
is a
that's-
struggle, but again, it's something I'm doing for myself, by myself. So it makes a huge difference
True,
that way.
because you're putting your hard-earned money, so you're seeing that, oh, that's my investment. I have to get some results out
Exactly,
of
some
it.
results.
So that's-
Yes, that's really true.
But amazing. Thank you so much for
Most
being a part
welcome. Yes.
and coming here all
Thank
the way
you
from
to
Pune.
Rice Moto, I
Thank
guess,
you.
for this opportunity.
But you've given us a lot of learning, and keep continuing your racing, and all the
yes,
best for your future.
thank you so much.
Take care.
Yes,
All the best.
You too. Thank you.